Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to remove text from a video in Canva to create a cleaner and more polished look. Whether we are editing unwanted captions or updating our content, this method makes it quick and simple. On the Canva dashboard, we might see text on our video or images. If we can locate the text and click on it, we can delete it right away by selecting it and clicking Delete. That removes it immediately. But if the text is already merged with the image or video, all we need to do is cover it with an element. We can use graphics or any element that hides the text. For example, if we want to cover that area, we just place an element over it so the text is no longer visible. We should pick a photo or element that fully covers the text. Once we are done, we just click Save. That is how we can remove text from a video in Canva in just a few simple steps. With a little editing, our video will look smoother and more professional.